Amy Wesley has created some very nice dangle post earrings. They feature Sleeping Beauty turquoise, which has become a little more rare these days and a little more expensive. The small stones are, the small inlaid stones are indicative of the Zuni work, which actually came about many, many years ago when the Zuni people were doing a lot of work and they realized they had a bunch of small stones left over, so they created the cluster work and the small inlay style. It's become extremely well recognized as a Zuni method and Zuni hallmark, really. And these are really great earrings. They're light enough to wear all the time, but substantial enough to last a very long time.